Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that like button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an otoscope by a company called ScopeAround. This is the box it comes in once you order it, and the model is SA39i. Now, once you open it up, naturally, you are going to get a little user manual here that explains how to operate it. They're also going to include some alcohol wipes to keep it nice and clean. They're going to include a bunch of little Q-tips, same thing for keeping it nice and clean. Then you are going to get three little adapters here that help look into the ear itself. And then you're also going to get this little scoop attachment if you're trying to remove any earwax, and this attaches really easily to the end of the wand itself. Now, as you can see, you get the wand itself. It's nice and compact. It has a ton of cable here, and it has this easy-to-use kind of cord management, which is really nice for when you are storing it and utilizing the device itself. So now it will attach to your phone or your tablet. It does have work for both Apple products or Android products. So it has a lightning attachment on one. You can obviously unplug that, and then it will turn into a Type-C cable to connect it and give it power and get that footage and whatnot. As far as how you access all that footage, you can do it via the app. One of the cool things about this device is you can have it in full screen record mode, but you can also do like a split screen record mode. So if you're kind of like tracking your earwax over time, you can see what it was previously and what it looks like now, which is just kind of a little cool little feature itself. But the device is very lightweight, so it's easy to move around. You can see it's like a pencil. It does have a little power button on the side. That is how you're going to activate and turn it on. Obviously, it has a nice little protection case. Just pull that right off. If you do want to put on the spoon, it just will slide into place. Make sure it's nice and secure, and you're good to go when that is on the device itself. Now, as far as the camera, it has a nice HD camera, nice crystal clear as far as seeing that footage. It also does have 6 little bright LED lights, so that way it can fully light up inside your ear, so that way you can see everything. That also has 3 different brightness levels. So if it's too bright or not bright enough, you can play with the lighting settings, which is great. You take pictures, you can take footage, you can do all of that fun stuff that you need when you are looking in the ear. But overall, it's a great little device. If you're in the market for an otoscope and you want to kind of just keep a track on things, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.